Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Naseko Paps, and today I'm outside. It's a bit sunny. In this video I'm going to show you how to wash your vacuum cleaner, dry vacuum cleaner that is. It's the Oraimo dry vacuum cleaner. If you have not watched the previous video, I've reviewed the dry vacuum cleaner. So nataka kuonyesha how I usually wash it ikichafuka, so that you can see how you can maintain yours too. And if you have any household item that you'd like me to reveal, please comment down below and I'll reveal it for you. So let's go into the video. So guys, I want to show you how to wash this dry vacuum cleaner. We've been using it for some time and I can see it's very dirty. So the first thing I do to unclip this one, let me turn it over here. So you press this one, it will open here, and then you pull it, and then you remove this part. So you can see the way it's dirty over here. So the next thing, we are going to press this button and then remove this other part like that. Then we are going to press this button and then this one to remove the lower part like that. Basically removing it in the parts, and then you can now remain with this part over here. This one is not detachable. You have to use it to wash it the way it is, but if you wish you can detach this one also, but it's hard to detach it. I've never tried to detach it actually. I think I'll figure out how to do it. So those are the parts that we have now. Those 4 parts to wash, and we have these other part. You just pull like this, so you can see wherever the dirt settles how it looks like. This is the filter. You can see that it's dirty. That's how the filter looks like. It's like that. So it's not detachable also. So I want to wash it. So I have my bucket over here. I have detergent. This one we call it kagunia. So I want to start with the parts that you cannot dip with water, like this one. For this part, we are going to wipe it rather than using a lot of water because it's electric and inaweza haribika ndani. Wipe it. Wipe everywhere. And inside here also. That. Now this one is okay. can dip it in water. It's where it collects that, so you wash it. Can see whether you can press this button to see this pipe over here like that. So even this one you can wash it with water on the inside. There is no problem in doing that. Let me use this one. That are settled inside this pipe. Then we have this other part. You can see the way it's dirty, even the wheels, and the inside is also very dirty. Now this one you can dip it into the water. That's why I use the kabunia, the sack, if you don't know gunia. Naona vile inang'ara, becoming clean. See that it's becoming clean. And then I remove the excess cleaning tools twenye tumeshika, like these ones over here, and these ones. You can see that this water is dirty. The dry vacuum cleaner was very dirty. So let's rinse it. You can see this part, it's already clean like before. Then I return these rubber parts so that it cannot get lost. Naweza itafuta later niikose. Put that one aside. And then I clean this one. This one should not be dipped in water, guys. Please don't dip this one in water. Naweza haribika. It has the electric part over here. Hii ni kupanguza tu like this. You wipe every part of it. So that's it guys, that's how I wash my dry vacuum cleaner. Unaweza iona iko hapo. That's it. So after cleaning it, naiekanga kwa kivuli, sio kwa jua. So I want to find a place where kuna kivuli so that I can put it to dry. Hivyo ndivyo iko. I've removed all the parts, I've cleaned them. So I want to find a shade somewhere. It's so sunny. I don't know even where to put it. So let me find a shade so that I can put it. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video, and comment down below which dry vacuum cleaner that you use. For me it's the Oraimo vacuum cleaner. If you have not seen the video, I've reviewed the vacuum cleaner while cleaning it and how it's used, so you can go and watch that video before you come and watch these ones so that you can understand what we are talking about. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to this channel, share and like. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.